In a dense forest, it used to be difficult for us to know the precise location of every single tree. With Atemitech's centimeter-level drone RTK Positioning, everything has now become crystal clear. The precision of multi-frequency satellite positioning allows every breath and every touch of greenery to be perfectly reconstructed in the digital world. Maintaining positioning consistency over the passage of time, leaving the most reliable tracks for periodic safety monitoring. When technology steps into farmland, large-scale cultivation achieves an elegant sense of order. Atemitech's independently developed versatile API provides highly customized flexibility, precisely executing every delicate operation while offering plug-and-play convenience to minimize complex system development costs. Even when navigating between city skyscrapers with complex signal reflections, it relies on excellent anti-interference and high-gain antennas to boost weak satellite signals in unpredictable environments. Integrated with low-noise amplifiers, it consistently charts a clear path. Through Atemitech's professional OEM and ODM services, we transform exceptional satellite positioning and API solutions into your solid industry standing, expanding infinite possibilities.